What's going on, YouTube? We are in Watts. This is the newest Nike location out in Los Angeles. See what we find, you guys. Dang, we got like great service and shit. Like, thanks, you guys. Appreciate it. This is new. See if we can find some dope stuff, man. They do have some different stuff here. Pretty dope. Community store. Guess that's their mission statement here. I don't know. This is pretty dope. The fact that they do have merch just for the store, pretty dope. $30 though, man. That's retail game. Okay, at least they have that 20% on coupon. Oh, got the championship shirts. What? This is retail though, I bet. Yeah, 35 bucks. All right, it's time to check out the aisles, you guys. I think you guys are gonna flip on a couple of things that you see here. Let's see what we find. We got to start with these, you guys, right? They had these a couple times here, and they also had these at East LA. It is only the smaller size, you guys. I think the biggest size they have is a size 8, and it's going for retail. I wonder if you could use that 20% off. That would be pretty dope. Yeah, see, pretty much just size 6, 7s, 8s, and then just 7s and 8s down there. But yeah, this is one of my favorite colorways, though. I think if they did have this in my size, I probably would cop. But I did get heads up that they were going to have these here as well as East LA, but I didn't really go out of my way to get these because they're cool, but I just don't have to have them. They're pretty dope though, pretty dope. Follow my Instagram because I'm going to put this on my Instagram. You can see the post right here. Pretty dope. You do got the Fast Fit, the NXT Fast Fits. They got these all the way up to size 11, 7.5 to 11. Not too bad. Focus, Witness 3s, some Soldiers. Kyrie 6s, pretty decent deal. We'll see these for cheaper at the retail stores though. Kyrie 6s. Did I just say Kyrie 6? Yeah, these are the 11-11s. Got some of the generic stuff. We got Bosco seeing what's up in the clearance section. Dope ass blazers. Those blazers are dope. They did trick me. I was like, did they got the Jordan 15s? These are the 15s, right? The one with the tongue sticking out. But yeah, the Swifts go for $100. Big funds. Oh man, it went downhill real quick. Jumpman 2020s, the Proto Reacts. They got some Element 87s, more of those. Oh, that's the same one as the last one. The 0.3s, got a couple of Mars 720s. That the Futures? What the hell are these doing here? I haven't seen these in forever. Flytrap 3s go for hella cheap. Zoom Freak ones, we've seen these cheaper at the retail stores. Maybe with the 20% off might be worth it. Going down a little bit more. Alpha Dunks, we saw these for $59.99 at Foot Locker, a little bit cheaper. And then the Zoom Rise, apparently these are better for hoops than the Alpha Dunks, according to Wear Testers, who does do the most legit performance reviews. So yeah, I definitely believe him. Dude got the 720s, these are pretty dope. Oh, okay, they still got these here, the Air Max 98. This is the Brooklyn pair, Gabriella something. Forgot her name, but yeah, these are dope, dude. These are dope, man. Still got these here. Damn, man, if you use the 20%, that's the cheapest you can. That's the cheapest we've ever seen. These, the LeBron 10 John Elliott's. They only have size 7.5 through size 11 though. Got the Black History Month Air Force Ones, the utility version. You got the Air Max 90s, the classic ones. Oh, we got the all cream color? Damn, these are clean. These are dope, dude. I don't know if you guys caught that. They told me I can't record in here. I'm just going to come to the back, see if I can find some stuff. Size 6 right here. 720 is $135. There's 30% off the clearance while they do have these Air Max 95s going for $120. Size 6. 720, 818, size 8 going for $140. Got some Nike IDs. These are actually pretty dope. Blazers. All suede, size 8. Oh, these are hella dope, dude. $120. Guess they didn't like them. They got some size 9. These are the Air Bacon Posits. You guys in the East Coast know about these. These totally remind me of Iron Man for some reason. But yeah, $149. Only $225. So yeah, get 30% off on top of that. It's like $105, I think. It's pretty decent deal. Air Max 98s, $120 for these, size 8. Got a couple of PG-13s right here, going for a retail game, size 9.5. All right, I did leave the store, guys. They told me not to record. They told me that a couple times, so I was like, oh, fuck it, I'm just leaving. But yeah, Bosco's still in there. I'm kind of curious because he's still recording. Kind of curious to see what they say to him if they do. And yeah, it is what it is. On to the next one, you guys. They told me I couldn't film there. Who? A couple people. They didn't say nothing to you?
No.
You were filming the whole time just like I was.
Yeah, I don't know how. I was kind of discreet with it, but I don't know. I don't know. That's weird.
That is what it is. All right, let's go. On to the next one, you guys. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks, East LA Nike Outlet. It is the last day of our 20% off coupon, you guys. Gotta get something, you guys. I gotta find something, so I'm desperate. It's 6:30 right now. They close in 30 minutes. Let's go see what we find, you guys. All right, guys, I do have to work this upcoming weekend, so I don't have any time to go to any malls or any place. So that's why I'm shooting a whole lot of videos before the weekend. So yeah, some of these videos might be kind of old. I do apologize. But yeah, we got 30% and 20% off the walls. All right, that's not good news, you guys. Look at the walls. Uh-oh. Look at this, you guys. Wow, size 10. Yikes. For size 10 people, holy guacamole. These are cheap. Oh my god. You get 30% off of that, and you get 20% using that coupon, dang. Alright, we were here 4 or 5 days ago, so I'm just gonna make it real quick, see what they got. They got these in 9.5 as well. Size 10, the Proto React going for 80. Mars 270s going for 90. Tailwinds going for too much at 120. What are these? The React Havocs going for 70. LeBrons going for retail. That is the Command Force colorway. Size 11s now. Air Max 200s going for 60 bucks. Wow, super berry, guys. Just seeing all kinds of spaces. It's kind of crazy. 270 React size 12 going for 110. What is these? The Max Torch super budget 11.5, 60 bucks. Super reps going for $120, size 11.5. Zoom Freak 2s, we've seen these for cheaper though, $130. Janowski's going for 50 bucks. Oh, that's a hell of a deal. Size 11 with the extra discounts. Oh, Air Force. Oh man, 100 bucks. These would come out to $54. $54, you guys. Ooh, that's a man. That's a size 12 right there too. That's dope. Colorway, not the hugest fan, but yeah, not too bad, not too bad. That is a size 12, yeah, 54 bucks, huh? Size 17 mixed, kind of everything. Everything's kind of mixed in. $60 for these, size 17. What size is this? Size 15, go for 60. The React Milers go for $90. All right, there's really not much. Just go check out the smaller sizes. Got the Kyrie's going for $110 right here. These are size 9.5. More of these bad boys. The React Havoc go for 70, 9.5. What are these? The Ghost Riders, 9.5 go for 80 bucks. Damn, we are getting the leftovers of the leftovers, dang. Why are these going for 160? That's odd. 100 bucks for these, size 8.5, PG4s. They got a lot of these. I think that's the deal of the day so far, man. Got a bunch of these, all 8.5, going for $120. 7.5 KD12s, $110. 7.5 PG4s, 90. Monstars, 180. Those are size 7s. What are these? ACG Dog Mountains, $80 for those. That's size 8s. That's a size 7. Oh, did we see these last week? Yeah, the Air Max 95s going for $130. That's a size 8 right there. Yeah, nothing too interesting. I don't see anything I want to pull the trigger on. Such a shame. Yeah, I don't think anything worth pulling the trigger, even with all those discounts. I guess they do got one pair of Kobe's. I don't see it on the shelves anywhere. Dang, got these going for 100 bucks. Bunch of empties, you guys. Wow. Kids section, nothing. Just a bunch of Air Max 200s. Wow. We got these Space Hippies. They're size 4 though, and they're still charging adult prices for $130. That's insane. And then the rest, yeah, Air Max 200s. All these are going for $60. Yeah, all of them go for 60 bucks. Bunch of different colorways. All right, there's like nothing, you guys. Let's go see what's across the street, you guys. Let's go see across the street. There's literally nothing here. Yeah. All right, so for my giveaway, you guys, I have given away $200 gift card, $100 gift card, $75 Air Max 90 slides, Jordan Hydro slides, and yeah, I promised to give out a couple t-shirts. Yeah, the t-shirt prices are really good here, 2 for $25, and I'm a fan of these. So yeah, I was able to find one of these in the size XL. I'm gonna grab one of these, actually double XL. Then I found one of these in a small, so I'm gonna send these out. I actually promised them t-shirts, but I'm actually gonna throw in a couple sweatshirts as well. So I'm gonna go to my next stop, see if I can find something, to see if I can find a couple sweatshirts, because it's getting kind of cold, you guys. All right, shout out to Miguel and Blvd. Definitely appreciate you guys saying what's up. Yeah, we're gonna pay for this and we're gonna get the heck out. We'll see if we have time to stop by the store next door. We'll see what's up. All right, so I bought the 2 Jordan shirts. Ended up costing $21, you guys. 21 freaking dollars for 2 Jordan shirts. That's a hell of a deal. I don't care where you're at. That's a crazy deal, you guys. So that was pretty dope. The sneakers may not have been the greatest deal, you guys, but what can you do? It is the last day of the sale. You guys probably saw the Watts visit as well as this one, since both of them were both short. I cannot go to the Foot Locker because they're probably closed by now, because it is like 7 o'clock. So yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you help your boy out, press that like button, click that subscribe button and that notification bell if you are new to the channel, you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna have plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.